Hi, in this episode we are going to use to write and to use a middleware. A middleware is basically a function that can access the request, response, and the next function. So let's define two middlewares. Const my date. This is the first middleware that we can create. Request, response, next, and we can say that we want to log the date with new date. And remember, at this point you must invoke the next function to give the possibility to your request to activate this line console.log new date and then go inside the next function. If you forget this next, your request will be stuck right here inside this function, which is not what you want. Let's define another middleware, my log, just to show something later. So next, and here we just want a simple console.log my log. Great. Now remember that when you use middlewares, the position matter. So let's say that I want to invoke the first middleware right here. We can use appuse my date. Now I said, okay, when you invoke this root, you must use this app.use my date and log the date inside the terminal. And instead, let's say that this my log, I want to invoke this my log middleware after this basic /root, but only for the student root. So let's use app.use my log. Now, if we save and we can say node index.js server started. Right now, if I use localhost and /, if I press enter, you can see here you have get meted and here you have your date. But just because this res.send close the request, so your execution will stop right here, you'll not see the use of my log middleware. Instead, if we use /student and you press enter, now you have your current date and you have my log too, because we use this middleware and then we use this my log middleware. So remember, when you're going to use middleware, the position matters. And if you change something, you'll notice a different effect because you must be sure to place the middleware in the right place.